good one.
That is a gaffer there, buddy. That's a gaffer. That's a gaffer.
I'm getting it.
Oh, yeah, oh, that is a chug right there.
What's this fish now?
I'll bring him over around here.
Don't bring him around side.
Oh, he's running. Woo. He's got some shoulders on him. Hopefully it's a red. Because he's fighting like a red, because they fight a little tougher than the gags. That is a monster.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Woo!
Look at
There
that
he is,
bug,
baby.
boy. Heck yeah.
We'll throw them other two back. He's bigger than both of them.
Yeah.
Circle hook, right in the corner of the mouth.
That's it, baby.
Mikey!
Or that. That's the way you do it.
Yeah, right.